Hello and welcome back to Party Paperteers. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but this is going to be a fun video because we're going to give you a lot of ideas that would inspire you to make custom personalized wall art for your children's bedroom. We have a girl's version as well as a boy's version. So if you want to see how we put these together, stay tuned. Version. I was inspired to do this collage because my granddaughter has LOL bedding and I wanted to add some personalization to her room. This is actually one of my favorite styles of adding personalized wall art to a bedroom because it's simply a letter. You put whatever initial that you want and add any design elements that tie in with your bedding or even a party theme. So it comes together really quick. It's primarily made out of cardstock and it's very cost effective. All these materials that you see cost me less than $5 to make. The images I downloaded from the internet and I did use my cutting machine to cut them out, but you can really do this by hand. And I put design elements on here that's really personal to my granddaughter. For instance, I used the LOL surprise logo, and I cropped out the LOL and put my granddaughter's name in there, Kayla. She's 5 years old. Her favorite color is purple, and her favorite doll is Queen Bee. So I made this very tailor-made to her to fit in the wall space over her headboard. And as you can see in this lifestyle photo, it really ties it in because these two characters here are very prominent in the bedding, and when it's on the wall, it pulls it all together and give it that really good designer look. design elements placed on the wall. As you can see, I used them in a collage with all the pieces that I made. There were other elements in the bedding, which was my inspiration piece to choose from, but I decided to go with these two dinosaurs, and you can use as many dinosaurs as you like. If you're making this, the sky is the limit. But I chose these because I felt like they would fill out the collage and my vision that I had for this design. So you can use this as a reference, or you can create 2 or 3 little elements from it, like, and place it all over the room. It's really up to you how you want to use it. And another thing that I like about this is that it's renter friendly. Now, I have them attached up there with tape because I'm going to give them to somebody and I didn't want to punch holes in them. But you can use thumbtacks, you can use staples, you can use double-sided tape, command strips, just whatever you want to use that's easily removed from the wall and won't cause too much damage if you're a renter and if you care about that kind of thing. This is just one reference point that I wanted to give you on how to use your cutouts after a party, if you use them as a party. But you see they look amazing on the wall. And just think about your bedding and how everything comes together with this. It gives it a very designer, professional look. Also, I want to say congratulations to our winner. It was Max from our favorite children's books collection on How the Grinch Stole Christmas. We'll get that in the mail to you right away. And for anyone else that's interested in our giveaways, we do them randomly on this channel. It can be any video, and we mostly make the announcements at the end of the videos. So if you watch our videos all the way to the end, you could very well be our next winner. Good luck, and thank you again for participating. Well, I want to thank you for watching, and if you like this video, could you give it a thumbs up? I would love to have you along on this paper crafting journey with me, and don't forget to check out my other videos for other fun tips and tricks in paper crafting. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.